By and take a look at the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, trailer brake controller, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, power equipment group, rear stabilizer bar, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.